Hello everyone, this is Chris Crescens. We're gonna do a video at the lakefront in downtown Chicago where the air show is going on. We have another probably hour, and this is the Ohio Street underpass. It's Saturday, August 10th, 2024. Hopefully you can hear me. And I'm on my way to the air show. Temperature is about 75 degrees Fahrenheit. As soon as we come out of this underpass, you're gonna see the lakefront and Ohio Street Beach. So we're starting the video from Ohio Street. We're right on the ground. And now we're gonna go to the Ohio Street Beach. And it's the air show. It's actually the air and water show, but the water show was this morning, so we missed that one. Now we're gonna see the air show. If there are any more planes flying, like military jets, like the Navy, Blue Angels. So we'll see. So this is the lakefront. There we are. There's gonna be a lot of people here. It's a beautiful day, 75 degrees Fahrenheit. This is going to be a very noisy video. And let's see if we can get a glimpse of the Ohio Street Beach. There's people everywhere here. Look how beautiful the skyline is. Okay, we're on downtown Chicago, and then you have the beach over here, so let's just keep going. I'll show you the beach from the side there. There you go, and this is Lake Michigan, and then I think the Jets are probably having a little break right now. They're gonna start in a few minutes again. You see look how many people are here to watching the air show that has. Okay, I can see some of the planes here. You can't hear them, but you can see them where you go, right over there. This is the lakefront trail, and this is the one I was telling you, the Ohio Street Beach. I'll show it to you in just a second. There it is, right there. There's literally expecting 3 million people here. The lakefront is like 26 miles. So this goes all the way to Indiana, but we're walking north. And you can see there are a lot of people swimming. Nice, comfortable day. And this is the lakefront trail. You see people on bicycles, people walking. Very, very, very crowded. And then we're going, we're walking north. And then DuSable Lakeshore Drive is on the left. And then you can see the high rises right on the left of the screen there. So let's just stay here and start walking north. And any minute now you may hear the planes going by. But to me, I like better the filming the crowd. Man, look how many people are over here. All right, it's moving. The line is moving. So we're gonna hear the planes. I'm not here to record the planes, by the way. I'm just here to record the event. You can see there's hundreds and hundreds of people, all thousands here. And we're just walking north. And this is Lake Michigan right over there. And usually there's a lot of boats here. This is the playpen here, but for some reason there's no boats. Maybe the city doesn't allow them to bring the boats so early for safety reasons. But look at the crowd here. All right, we're just walking north. Excellent footage here. This is Chicago, ladies and gentlemen. 75 degrees Fahrenheit. We got some music coming out of the bicycle right here behind me. All right, and then the DuSable Lakeshore Drive on top. And it looks like everybody is sitting watching or waiting for the airplanes to resume. I'm pretty sure they were flying earlier. I guess we came at a time where they're resting or they're getting they're refueling. And the planes, by the way, the military jets, the Navy and the Air Force, they refuel in Gary, Indiana. So it's not even in Chicago where they refuel, but they get here in no time, within minutes, because they fly very fast. So we're just gonna keep walking. I'm only gonna be here like 30 to 45 minutes because I have something to do later on. And I may do another video later on, we'll see. So I have an engagement at on top of the hour, so I have to stop filming in less than 45 minutes. But this video is going to be at least 30 minutes long. So now I open up a little bit so we have more space now. We're going to keep walking. And then you see there's thousands of people, ladies and gentlemen, here. And then today's Saturday, so they have also fireworks at Navy Pier at night. 10 o'clock at night on Saturdays and 9 o'clock at night on Wednesdays, all the way until till probably November. It is a beautiful, beautiful day for fireworks and also for the air show. It's about 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not warm. It's not hot. It's a little bit windy, so hopefully you can hear me. I'm sure you're gonna hear the planes once they start resuming, but even if we don't, that's okay. We're just gonna do a walking video at the lakefront, at the air show. You see bicycles, people walking. Now it's windy. And then you can see Streeterville on the left. This is where I live and work. That's the John Hancock Center right over there on the left. That's Chicago Avenue right over there. There's one of their airplanes here. That could not be maybe it's not a military plane, maybe it's just a regular plane. This is really, really big. But you can't even hear it. Usually the Air Force and the Navy are very, very loud, the planes. All right, we're approaching Chicago Avenue. You can see Chicago Avenue over on the left, and then you can see DuSable Lakeshore Drive where the cars are. So it's a beautiful, beautiful footage. You see the cars, you see the bicycles, you see the pedestrians. And then you see the lake, you see people on the water, you see there are people swimming. One thing you don't see, like I mentioned earlier, is boats. I'm guessing they restricted, they don't allow the boats during the show, the air and water show. Especially the water show earlier where they had military boats. And we missed it because I was at work. All right, keep walking. I hope I'm not working in the wrong lane because all the people are coming this way. But there's a lot of people here. Oh, let's just keep walking a little bit down. If we're lucky, we'll see and hear the airplanes. If we're not, then next time. I did film this before. I come here almost every year and film the show. So if you go to my YouTube channel, just type air show, Chicago Air Show, and you should be able to see the previous videos were airplanes, and you see how noisy it is, how loud it is. So walk a little bit more. And I hear a helicopter behind me. I don't see it, but I hear it. And it's a little bit uneven over here. You can see it's a little bit tilted down, so I'm gonna get down for it straight right here. So I hear an airplane, but it's far away, and then a helicopter. It could be a police helicopter, or it could be a press helicopter, or it could be the Chicago Fire Department helicopter. So it could be for a medical emergency. That's the John Hawkins Center. Look at this. Take a picture. I'm taking also pictures at the same time I'm doing the video. And you see people sitting everywhere, just getting and it's live on the radio too. You can hear the radio. See, there is a boat right over there, but I think that's like a Chicago Fire Department boat. So again, nobody's allowed, it looks like, to have a boat until the show is over, and the show is tomorrow as well. So I may come tomorrow if I have time, and then we'll get a lot more lucky in here and see the airplanes. But I did another video on, I believe it was Thursday night or Thursday afternoon. I did one like around 4 p.m. I did one on the rooftop in Streeterville, and I was able to film some of the airplanes that were doing the practice run. So they're doing the practice run. They were doing the practice run on Thursday and Friday in anticipation of the show, which is Saturday. Today's Saturday, and then tomorrow there's another one. Tomorrow, Sunday. Again, it's Saturday, August 10th, 2024, and we're at the lakefront at the air show, filming a video, a walking video. And this video is going to be probably 30 minutes long. There's an airplane there. There you go. That is definitely a military plane. Just from the colors, looking at the colors, it looks like the Blue Angels. But it's, well, let's see where it's gonna go. So there may be some more arriving out of nowhere. So let's just see. There's just one, and then you got bicycles here. You got people walking. I guess the crowd is probably more exciting here than to film than the actual air show airplanes. Just a beautiful day to be outside and walk and film a video at the lakefront. And that's Streeterville over there on the left. I'm going to show it to you again. There it is. That's my neighborhood. That's where I live and work in this area. And I'm actually, believe it or not, I'm on my lunch break. I have to be back at work on the top of the hour, so I still got 30 more minutes to be there. And I may do another one afterward. Okay, here is the plane we saw earlier. It's a little bit closer now. It's flying very, very low, ladies and gentlemen. It's probably scouting the area and giving the pilots the signal to start. Now it's going up. Yeah, it looks like the Blue Angel, maybe Blue Angel, the aircraft. It looks small from a distance, but I'm pretty sure that plane is really huge. Alright, it's windy again. Hopefully you can hear me now. We are approaching Oak Street Beach. And then you can see there is a whole crowd here sitting down waiting. That's another indication that the show is not over yet. So the planes will be arriving shortly. Hopefully they'll arrive before I leave. It's supposed to end at 3 o'clock, so there's another 30 more minutes technically, officially for the air show to end. But we're gonna go. We got a few more minutes, so we're gonna walk. We're gonna make this video a 30-minute video. And look at down this way. And then look at this beautiful skyline from here. Take a picture. Look at the skyline. Look at all those people. Wow. And hopefully we'll be able to hear more and see more planes. We saw only one so far. And now it got a little bit windy. I'm pretty sure the wind has something to do with if they're flying or not. If it's very windy, then maybe it'll be a little bit more dangerous. So this is Oak Street Beach here. We're approaching Oak Street Beach. We'll take another picture. And then we're just gonna walk right through here. There you go, that's the same plane we saw earlier. It's still around circling. Wow, look how low the plane is. Well, the good thing we able to hear it. First we saw it, we couldn't hear it, now we hear it. So let's see if we can cut through here and go through the crowd. There's people everywhere. Hopefully it's not blocked off. This is Lake Michigan right on the right there. And it's very windy, hopefully you can hear me. And this is Oak Street Beach over here. See, this actually people are swimming and also sitting over there. Look how many people are over here, and look how many people are in the water. There it is. People are swimming. There's a bar right on the left. Hopefully the music won't interfere with the copyrights. And then look at this beautiful, beautiful skyline. There's the same plane going around right over there. And now we got music here, so try to get away from the music. So I'm pretty sure there's more planes getting ready. But look how many people are in the water. And look at the plane coming this way. Oh my God. All right, let's get away from the music. And let's just walk down this way. All right, let's go right towards the exit here. So we'll go this way. And then you can see Streeterville over here. That's the John Hancock Center. There's more buildings over there. Okay. So we'll go back on the lakefront trail because there's no more room there to maneuver. And then you still got people on bicycles. All right. So far we only saw one plane. I believe it was the Blue Angels multiple times circling around. We haven't seen her. Here you go, same plane again, right over there, taking off in various. Here's another one. It's the same one going back and forth. And then you can hear us live on the radio as well. And you can hear the radio. You see the radio.
And I'll tell you what's coming up here. This is the 78th year of the Blue Angels, the oldest jet demonstration team in the military. They've been around since 1946. The flight leader, the boss, Commander Alex Armitage from Minneapolis, New York. On the right wing, flying number 2, Lieutenant Commander Jack Gilty from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Off the left wing, it's number 3 Jack, Lieutenant Wes Perkins.
See, you heard the radio broadcasting saying the plane we were watching is from 1978. Oh, no wonder it looked different and big. Back then the planes were, the military planes were, the Blue Angels, the Navy Blue Angels were huge planes. Now they're smaller and more powerful and more noisy. So just gonna keep walking, but at some point we have to get on the street and go back, because I have to go back to work on top of the hour. There you go, they're coming now. They're right on the right there, they're coming, and we're gonna get over there and try to capture them. We see a bunch of planes, so those may be the Blue Angels, who knows. Here they are. At least we got some of them recorded. Here they are. You can't hear them, but now there you go. They resume the flying. There they are. So there's definitely the Blue Angels. Here they are. Those are the Navy Blue Angels, ladies and gentlemen. You can actually see their colors. And you see, we're patient enough to wait, and then we saw the planes. There are gonna be more, but we have to start heading back. So I'm gonna try to get one of those underpasses and go back on Michigan Avenue and go back to work. I have to be in work in 20 minutes. And this video is gonna be at least 30 minutes. You see, they don't know where they're gonna come out of from. Wow. Here they are. All right, let's get the underpass. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna show you this is the Szabo Lakeshore Drive. I think we may be a little bit, we can still make it. We go down on we go down this underpass. This is not the underpass I wanted, but it's okay. It will still take me to Michigan Avenue. And if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Chris Crescents Presents. All right. So I'm just heading back to work. It's going to be a little bit over 30 minutes, this video. And then we're going to go back.
That's what I thought too.
That's why I made it later.
Right.
Yeah, we are on the Szabo Lakeshore Drive. We're on Division Street, Division and Lakeshore Drive. Here they are again. So let's just walk down on Lakeshore Drive, and we should be able to make it on time. I'm showing you some bonus coverage now of the Szabo Lakeshore Drive, and at some point this Lakeshore Drive, there's like different Lakeshore Drives on this area. For some reason there's north, south, east, west. At some point this part of Lakeshore Drive is going to become it's going to become Michigan Avenue. And look at this beautiful skyline. There's another plane. Look at that. Very noisy, a good noisy video. See, we waited a little bit and then they finally came out. I guess they were having a refueling stop. That's when they do the break of the Air Force and the Navy, when they refuel. And they go all the way to Gary, Indiana to refuel. There they are, the Blue Angels, you can see them. Beautiful, beautiful view here of Lakeshore Drive and the skyline and the plane. Let's just cross. A lot of people. Again, they were expecting 3 million people downtown to watch this this event. I want to show her more. Look how beautiful the trees are. So we're in downtown Chicago. We're approaching Michigan Avenue. This Lakeshore Drive is going to become Michigan Avenue in just a second. And again, it's Saturday, August 10th, 2024. And the time is 2:42 p.m. And we're approaching Michigan Avenue. The next block is going to be Michigan Avenue. So we start as Lakeshore Drive, and then becomes Michigan Avenue. So this is Michigan Avenue and Oak Street. That's when we came from, the Oak Street Beach. That's the entrance I wanted to come out from. But it's okay. We came out in a better underpass, the Division One. Take some pictures. Beautiful, beautiful sounds and pictures. I'm sure they're gonna come this way now. We're on Michigan Avenue now. 980 North Michigan Avenue. So we're on Michigan and Walton Place, I believe. Then there's the Drake Hotel right over there. Landmark. Let's go on the other side. That's 900 North Michigan Avenue. Alright, we get the green light. So we are North Michigan Avenue now. So we started on Ohio Street, we went down the Ohio Street underpass, went to the lakefront. And on lakefront we went north. We went to Ohio Street Beach and then Oak Street Beach. And then on Division Street we took the underpass, came on Lakeshore Drive. And now we're on Michigan Avenue. Let's take another picture. This is Michigan Avenue. North Michigan Avenue, ladies and gentlemen. A nice church over there. I hope you can hear me. There's some planes are going. Beautiful air show. Both visual and acoustic. Excellent. There's a Fourth Presbyterian Church there. And this is the John Hopkins Center. Just waiting for the light. Okay, we got the new green light, so they just crossed. Again, it's very windy. I'm holding my hat so it doesn't fly. I guess downtown is like this. At some spots it's windy, at some spots it's not. It's very ironic that when you're on the street, you get more chance to see the airplanes, the air show, than when you're at the lakefront. Because we finally captured the navy blue angels, so we may even see them again. They're still flying. You can hear them at least. That's Michigan Avenue here. Chestnut Street, we're crossing Chestnut and Michigan Avenue. Lots and lots of people on the street, out the lakefront. Cars. Only thing we didn't see is boats, because they don't allow them to have any boats during the air show. I guess for safety reasons, and also for the actual demonstrations, because they need space to perform. So this is Michigan and Pearson. I can still hear the planes, so we may still see them again. Let's cross the street. So this video is going to be probably a 45-minute video, and I have to go back to work for another 30 minutes, and then when I come back I may do another video in downtown Chicago, or I may not, like a different video. We'll see how it goes. But for now, we have this wonderful video, the air show video. We film on at the lakefront and on Michigan Avenue. So let's cross. We got the green light. This is Michigan Avenue and Chicago Avenue. This is Michigan Avenue. And this is Chicago Avenue here. Now it's going to get a little bit more crowded. Here they are. There you go. nice shot there. Let's just keep walking. We're still on Michigan Avenue. Again, it's Saturday, August 10th, 2024. And this is the air show video. And we started at the lakefront. Now we're on Michigan Avenue, and we're gonna end this video in a few minutes. Still got a few more minutes left. And now we're approaching Superior Street. We got the green light, so let's just cross. Wow, we got the green light. Saks Fifth Avenue right over there. Let's just keep going. Superior Street and Michigan Avenue. Actually, let's go this way. This is Superior Street. And then you have a very well-known pizzeria there, Gino's East. Hopefully you can hear me, ladies and gentlemen. It's very loud from the airplanes. They're still flying for a few more minutes, so we may still see more planes. So this is Gino's East. If you ever come to Chicago, come and check it out. Since 1966, it says. Very well-known pizzeria. It's not just pizza. They do have other stuff as well, like pasta, steaks. All right. Let's just, and you got some people from the Navy, sailors. And this is St. Clair Street, so we're gonna make a right on St. Clair Street. And we're gonna end the video in about 3 minutes. We're gonna make it a 45-minute video. So this is St. Clair. We're in Streeterville. The entire video was filmed in Streeterville, in downtown Chicago. The zip code is 60611. So this is St. Clair. And we're approaching Huron Street. And you can still hear the airplanes. Look how beautiful the trees are. And now we're on Huron and St. Clair. This is Huron Street. We're gonna make this a 45-minute video. I'm gonna show you another landmark, the Allerton Hotel there from 100 years ago. The brown building you see there. Take some pictures. Hopefully we get to see the plane coming one more time before we close this video. So we're gonna make this a 45-minute video. St. Clair Street, by the way. All right, thank you everybody for watching. Where's the Blue Angels?